In this video, you can learn how to set up email forwarders to Gmail account in cpanel. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to sign into cpanel with cpanel username and password, which will bring you to the cpanel settings page. In cpanel settings page, click Forwarders in Email section. Here in Email Forwarders page, you need to click the Add Forwarders button. And in this page, you need to enter all the fields to set up email forwarders. First, enter the username of the email account you want to forward. And in the second field, select the domain the username is associated with. And next, in this field add the Gmail account you want to forward your emails in cpanel. And finally, click the Add Forwarder button. And done, email forwarding has been set up to Gmail account. The emails will be forwarded to Gmail account in cpanel. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.